This is a list of conferences and workshops in the area of cryptography. The most important events in this area are organized by or somehow affiliated with the IACR. List of invited speakers at these conferences. IACR conferences. IACR sponsors the following 3 conferences. Crypto, an annual event that takes place in the USA and is IACR sponsored since its inception. Eurocrypt, an annual event that takes place in Europe and is IACR sponsored since its inception. AsiaCrypt, an annual event that takes place in Asia and Australia and is IACR sponsored since 2000. IACR workshops. The following events are sponsored by IACR as workshops. They have a narrower scope compared to the 3 main IACR conferences. TCC, FSE, CHESS, PKC, organized in cooperation with IACR. The following events are frequently organized in cooperation with IACR. ACNS, IndoCrypt, RSA Conference, Cryptographers Track, SAC, Related Areas, FOCS, Theory of Computing, STOC, Theory of Computing, ICALP, Theory of Computing, CSS, International Conference on Cryptography and Security System, Security, Mihir Bella's list, IACR's list of crypto events.